Who are you?
I'm Captain Hook.
Who are you?
Captain Hook.
Oh, Captain Hook versus Captain Hook, huh?
Your mouth is cut off.
You okay, Zara?
Where's the cut off?
I think Zara is playing Alora.
Whoa. Ow. I cut it off your neck so that you don't have a head.
Wait a minute, why are you hitting the cameraman? No. I'm an impartial observer, and I have one leg now.
You have no legs.
Okay, I have no legs. Oh, no.
Boom! Let's fight! Whoa! Whoa! Miss me, now you have to hook me. Woo! Try it. Now you have to bite. Whoa! Great try, Noah. Captain. Fun is mine. Now try the curve leg. Cut off your leg. Now you got only one leg. I cut it. I have one of your sword. Because I cut it off part of your sword. No.
I don't think swords work that way.
I don't know. Swords don't cut. I'm thinking right now.
Digging for gold there?
Yeah, I think your sword is weak. You gonna make it a two sword?
No, it's got two swords now, right?
I'm Peter Pan
Oh, you
now.
got a dagger instead of a sword. There you go. Looking a little scruffy there, Peter.
No, I want to be Peter Pan too.
Okay.
I'm Peter Pan. I'm Hook. Hook the captain. Can you break it?
Why don't you go get the other half of Maxwell's?
I got two swords to fight. I get two to fight. I don't like this sword.
Is it a tasty sword?
I'm in trouble.
Why are you smacking me?
Your daughter's going to shovel me.
I have no leg. We get that. Oh, good. Okay, you got the other one now.
Bring it down your knees.
Alright, I think I'm done. I want to go check out what your sisters are doing outside.